This is my 99 V92C. I bought an '03 flywheel, stator, and voltage regulator off of the exact same bike. This is a 2003 primary cover, so I didn't have to do the little, the thing. I drilled a hole in the original bolt for the oil to come out of. So I'm all set there. But when I put it back together, it wouldn't, it was in gear. It stayed in gear no matter what I did with the clutch, and it only shifts like one gear. I'm trying to figure out how to light this so you can see it here. Sorry. There we go. That might work. Now you can't see it. Okay. But it'll shift down and then go back, but it won't go again, and it won't shift up or whatever direction I'm going. But that's what's happening that way, and that's what's happening that way, and it's in gear. I can't get it out of gear. And I can't get it to shift any further than that.